multiple European countries have begun deploying troops to Greenland under Denmark-led Operation Arctic Endurance, marking a rare and coordinated show of military resolve in the Arctic. The move comes as the US President Donald Trump renews public threats to take control of the strategic island, arguing it is vital for American national security. European soldiers arrived in Greenland, with more expected in the coming days, signaling that Europe is drawing a clear line without formally invoking NATO. Denmark, which is responsible for Greenland's defense, says the expanded deployment is about strengthening Arctic security in close coordination with allies. Additional Danish aircraft, naval assets, and ground forces are being mobilized to support joint training and operational readiness.
Security in the Arctic is of crucial importance, and it is therefore important that we, in close cooperation with allies, further strengthen our ability to operate in the region.
At least 7 EU and allied nations are now involved. Germany has sent a 13-member Bundeswehr reconnaissance team. France has confirmed its first military units are already en route. Sweden has deployed officers at Denmark's request, while Norway is sending 2 defense personnel. Canada and the Netherlands are also participating in allied exercises.
France has decided to join the exercise, which has been organized by Denmark, in a sovereign and independent way in the Arctic Endurance Framework. A first team of French soldiers is already on site and will be reinforced in the next few days by land, air, and maritime means. And I thank the CMA for having quickly, in contact with its Danish partner, organized things and to respond to the very concrete demands that were formulated.
The timing is critical. The deployments were announced the same day. Talks between US, Danish, and Greenlandic officials in Washington failed to bridge what Copenhagen called a fundamental disagreement. Trump has insisted the United States needs Greenland, even suggesting force cannot be ruled out.
I wouldn't be telling you what I'm willing to do, certainly. I'm not going to give up options, but it's very important. Greenland's very important for the national security, including of Denmark. And the problem is, there's not a thing that Denmark can do about it if Russia or China wants to occupy Greenland, but there's everything we can do.
Greenland's leadership has publicly rejected that stance, reinforcing its alignment with Denmark.
If we have to choose between the United States and Denmark here and now, we choose Denmark.
As Operation Arctic Endurance shifts from routine training to clear deterrence optics, Europe is signaling unity in the Arctic, in what analysts describe as one of the most serious intra-NATO political crises in decades.